Let's talk about lab kits. I've received my lab kit, now what? Once you receive your lab kit, check everything in the kit against the packing list to verify that you have everything and nothing is damaged. If you are missing anything or something is broken, you have 3 days after the receipt of the lab kit to contact the lab kit provider for replacement materials. All lab activities will have specific instructions. Read all lab manuals and worksheets associated with those labs in your course. If you still have questions about lab kits, more information can be found by clicking the fax link in your course. Thank you for watching. Make sure to watch all 3 videos in this lab kit video series. Enjoy your course!